Welcome to SAW, Smart AI Workshops. In today's episode, we would like to welcome you, and we're glad that you're here. Hello, everyone. I'm glad you're here. You've been hearing about AI everywhere you turn, but still asking yourself, what does this actually mean for me? Well, then this podcast was made for you. Because let's be honest, there's a lot of noise out there, a lot of hype, and a lot of people throwing around big promises, big words, and big predictions. But most ordinary people, business owners, professionals, and creators are still stuck with one simple question. How do I actually use AI in a way that helps me? That's what this podcast is about. SAW stands for Smart AI Workshops. Now, I remember a parable about two lumberjacks. They went out and they had a contest. Who would cut down the most trees in a single day? One of the lumberjacks spent all day sharpening his saw. Guess what? He cut down more trees and was more efficient. The moral of the story, take time to sharpen your digital saw. And this way you can be more efficient and get more done. And the mission here is simple, to cut through the AI noise and give you practical, useful, real-world ways to use AI for work, business, productivity, creativity, and everyday life. Not theory for theory's sake, not tech jargon to impress people, not another show designed to make simple things sound complicated. No. This is about making AI make sense. This is for the entrepreneurs trying to save time and grow faster. This is for the professionals trying to stay relevant and work smarter. And this is for the everyday person who knows AI is changing the world and doesn't want to get left behind. You do not need to be a programmer. You do not need to be a tech expert. You do not need to have all the answers. You just need a willingness to learn and experiment and think a little differently. So on this podcast, we're going to break things down in a way that's clear, practical, and useful. We'll talk about smart ways to use AI in a daily work, tools that can save time, and prompts that actually gets results. Simple workflows that make life easier. And business applications, productivity hacks, and creative uses and real examples that can help you go from curious to confident. Because here's the truth. AI is not just for the big tech companies. It's not just for experts, and it's not just for people who got there early. It's for the people who are willing to learn how to use it well, and the people who learn to use it well will have an edge. They'll move faster. They'll think clearer and make better decisions. And more than that, they'll save more time and open doors that used to stay shut. That's why this show exists. And this is a workshop style podcast, which means I do not just want to talk about AI. I want to help you actually use it. So in every episode, the goal is simple. Give you something practical you can take and apply and benefit from in the real world. Maybe that means helping you write better emails, or maybe it means creating content faster, or maybe it means organizing your day better, or maybe it means just using AI to brainstorm or plan or solve problems, or even about communicating more clearly. But whatever the topic, the goal will always stay the same. Less confusion, more usefulness. And if that sounds like what you've been looking for, you're in the right place. So whether you're building a business, growing your career, or trying to stay current, or just curious about how AI fits into your life, welcome. This is Saul, Smart AI Workshops, and I am Shantae Earl, the host. So from here forward, we're going to cut through the noise together. Thanks for being here for the first episode. Make sure you follow the show, share it with someone who needs it, and come back for the next episode where we'll start getting into practical ways to actually put AI to work. Until next time, cut through the noise and work smarter with AI.